Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Fat Finds, and we have an unboxing. We have a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses to unbox today, and these are from 24s.com, and that's when we're out by the pool today. So let's get in the box. And I have a few other pieces coming from Louis and from what that now. And I'm Stephanie, by the way. I do an unboxing from time to time. Excuse me. And one of the favorite places of mine to order from is 24s.com. I'm not affiliated. I do not work for them, but I do order from them. They are a French company that is also owned by LVMH. I speak on them frequently. Gorgeous packaging, very well packed. We had a little hold up in customs, and that's the first time that I've had 24s forget to add the receipt in the box. But once they got it, the invoice, one of the papers that they needed, it came on through clearance in Kentucky, and yay, she made it. She made it. That's the important thing. And merci from the bottom of our box heart. Yes, customs, go figure. So, and these were a steal. I'm going to list all the information about these particular sunglasses in the description box below, because on 24s, and usually they give more information than they did, I think, but I really don't remember much about them, other than that they're brown and Louis Vuitton. So let's open the box and see what they look like. It's a beautiful magnetic closure box. It's our return slip, and very well packaged, with a nice little pillow there, tissue. And this is interesting. This is the first time I've ever... This is interesting. Blanca tortoise in the E. So, boy, I need those sunglasses like no one in the boat. So, you can see inside the box there, we have the receipt from 24s. the care booklet from Louis Vuitton. And the glasses. A very nice silky dust bag, and let's get them out. There we go. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I got these for a ridiculous price. Almost 50% off a brand new, never worn Louis Vuitton. And I will bring the product code up in just a moment and let you guys see that on the box and all that. But there she blows. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. And I've got to put these things on. So, what do you think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments section below. Are they working for me or against me? You guys in my posse, you got to let me know. So, and I know I'm just looking fab today. I've got my hair up, my sweats on, and got the nails done, and taking care of things today, and yeah, it's kind of a glamorous day, right? But these help class it up, and I love this style. It's just love this bag. Silky smooth. Louis Vuitton does not give you a sunglass case. Okay, they just don't. I'm gonna walk up and let you guys. See how those will focus some. And you can see on the inside there where it says so I have a few pieces of the Yayoi Kusama collection. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So, I hope I am pronouncing that correctly. But I do have a couple of pieces of that collection that I've got to pick up. And we'll do an unboxing on those here in the next few days. And then I have a few other things coming down the pike. That I'm working on. Few things already ordered. That, like I said, that I gotta pick up. And a few things that I'm working on getting ordered. stay tuned because some good things coming, baby. Well, let me show you the product code for these, and that will be our unboxing for the day. And I hope wherever you are in the world that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please know you are worth it. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And thank you guys very much for joining me, and